Welcome. What's up, Longhorn Nation? Here in Bristol, Connecticut for ESPN.
We welcome in Texas Longhorns coach Tom Herman.
This is so good.
Dun da da dun da da dun da dun da dun dun da. See, we're singing that is Texas Longhorns coach. Tom Herman is here. Tom Herman, do the thing.
Yeah,
Welcome.
Day 2 here at ESPN campus, getting ready for the car wash.
Harry, how are you? Yeah, you doing all right?
Doing great.
Good.
Trey Wingo, Mike Golick here, and look who it is.
How about this?
Tom, we really appreciate it.
Appreciate
Tom
it.
Herman.
Welcome.
There you go.
How are you?
Hey, Tom, how are you?
Good. Thanks for accepting. It's good to see you.
How are you,
Hey, good to
Lindsay?
see you.
Great to see you.
Good to have Tom Herman, the head coach of Texas, with us this morning.
That's good.
He made the jump to Austin, where he is now the big man on campus for the Longhorns. We welcome Tom Herman into the show. Good luck this year.
Thank you
Tom
very much.
Herman
Welcome,
hanging
Horns.
out with us.
That's a wrap, ESPN. Headed back to Austin. Can't wait to get there. Welcome.